Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 14820 Darbydale Avenue in Woodbridge, Virginia. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom basement for rent. So essentially it's Unit B. Let me just show you a little bit about the yard. You will have access to using the backyard. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom basement for rent. Gas, electric, and water are included, but internet and cable are extra. There are new floors just installed this last couple of days from this was recorded. It was also freshly repainted. Here's one of the rooms. We can go into the second room as well. Now there's a few small things going to be done. This place is going to be cleaned, like I said, for the living room area. The contractor did the majority of the work, finished up yesterday. Now this is the door to go to the upstairs neighbor. It is going to be locked. It'll be locks on both sides, so privacy. You have your coat closet right here. Another thing I want to mention is you have your own laundry. There is no shared laundry. The only thing that's really shared, internet cable, and then also the driveway. And in the mailbox as well. Washer and dryer. And then also the utility closet. And then here's the primary bedroom. Now the window is going to be worked on in the next, we're just waiting for parts to come in. And I do want to show you the bathroom is almost finished. What I mean, we're just waiting for the vanity to come in. But this bathroom, new paint, new shower. Just about redone. Like I said, we were waiting for the vanity to come in. So it should be, at the time this video is uploaded, about another week. And then here we have the dining room area and the kitchen. Like I mentioned before, gas, electric, and water are included in the rent, and but internet and cable would be extra. Anyways, if you are interested, just reach out to me. We'll set up a showing. If you have an agent, have them reach out to me. We can set up the showing as well. But thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you in a little bit.